Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Magic. This is again we are going to discuss factorization. In my last class for factorization, I have discussed only the basic things. Now we are going to factorize with these methods. So by taking out common factors, by grouping of term, by difference of two squares, factorization of trinomials, and this is another one which was not there in my last video. I have just recently added this. Sum or difference of two cubes. So we are going to do sums for each of these categories, and the book which we are following, ICSE Mathematics. This is from class 9, ML Agarwal. Okay, so we are going to do exercise 4.1 for the first one by taking out common factors. So the first one, this is basically from exercise 4.1, sum number 1, part 1. Okay, so 8x y cube plus 12x square y square. Now what does this method say? It says by taking out common factors. Now what are common in between these two? So let us find out. So 8x y cube equals to, basically we are taking the HCF. So 2 into 2 into 2, that makes 8 into x into y 3 times. Okay, now the other one, 12 x square y square. So 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12 into x. There is another x. I'll take it out here. Then y into y. So what do we have? These two. So these are commons, right? 4 2 to the 4 x y square, 4x y square. So this is basically common between these two. So my sum becomes very easy, 4x y square. So I am taking common from these two. So if I take out 4x y square from this, so what it will be left with? 2y only. Okay, and from here if I take out 4x y square, so it will be 3. How am I doing? Basically this is divided by this. So when I divide this by this, I'll be left with 3. So 4 3s are 12. X square by x, I'll be left with x. Y square by y square, nothing will be there. So this will be my answer. Now I'm going to do 3 part 1. 2 pi r square minus 4 pi r. Okay, so very simple, just like the previous one. What is the common? Look at the numbers. 2 pi, I'll take out common. There are 2 r here and 1 single r here, so I'll just take one of them. So this one divided by this, so I'll be left with only single r, minus sign. So 4 divided by 2, 2, pi r divided by pi r, 1, nothing is left. This is my answer. 4 part 2, so 28 p square q square r, 42 p q square r square. Now we'll take out the HCF. So here by taking out HCF, you will be left with 14 for the numerics. Okay, and p square, so common is p, q square, common is q square, r square, so common is r. So this is what the common you got, 14p q square r. Now this whole divided by this. So 14 2s are 28, and this divided by this, you will be left with only p. Minus 42 divided by 14, you get 3. Now this whole divided by this whole, you get r. So this is your answer. Sum number 9, part 2. Okay. So x square plus y square minus z square plus y minus x square minus y square plus z square minus z x plus y minus z square. Okay, so this is the sum. Now here, this thing and this one looks like the same. We can say we can take that as common. We can take it as common out. But what about the sign? This one and this one is matching, but here the sign is little different. So let us change this one into this, just like this. X square plus y square minus z square. Now here I will take out the minus from inside. So whenever if there is a bracket and you take out the minus, so all the sign will change. So this will change from plus to minus. This will minus x square, this will be positive, this will be positive, this will be minus z square. Now see, they are same. Okay. Now from these three, I will take out the common. X square plus y square minus z square. Now this one, if I divide it by this, I will be left with only x minus sign. Now this one whole, if I divide it by this, I will be left with y. Similarly, the last one. So this will be my answer. Now we will be doing for the second one, for grouping of terms. This I will be doing from exercise 4.2. Let us do sum number 1, part 2. So y square minus yz minus 5y plus 5z. Okay. Now this is very easy, but first we have to take it into two groups. So I take this into one group, and the other one I take this as a group. Now always remember, whenever you are applying bracket or removing bracket, when there is a minus sign outside, so the sign inside changes. So this was minus 5y, so this will change to plus, and this was plus 5z, this will change to minus 5z. Okay. Now individually I will work for them. So here I have y common, I will take out the y, so I am left with y minus z. Okay, how can you check whether you have done it correctly? Let us open the bracket. So y into y, y square. Now y into minus z, minus yz. See, you got the same thing. So this proves that you are doing it correctly. Okay, this one I have 5 common, y minus z. Now see, y minus z, y minus z. And there is a minus sign. So these two terms, I can take out y minus z as common. So from here, if I take out y minus z, or this divided by this, I will be left only with y. Then minus sign, this divided by this, y minus z, I will be left with only 5. So this is my answer by grouping of terms. Now let us do sum number 5, part 1. 1 minus a minus b plus ab. Similarly, we'll do the same way. 1 minus a in a bracket and minus this one in bracket, sign change. Okay, I cannot do anything for this, so I just put 1 outside. Minus here, b is common, I'll take out b, so I'm left with 1 minus a. So now see, 1 minus a common, so 1 minus a common. So this divided by this, I'm left with 1. This divided by this, I'm left with minus b. So 1 minus a, 1 minus b is my answer. Now let us do sum number 8, part 1. 5ph minus 10qk plus 2rph minus 4qrk. Okay, so again I'll be grouping these. Now it's not necessary that whatever it is given you group it in that way. You can shuffle the term. You can put this one here, take this one here. That can also be done. So, and it's not necessary that whatever is given you group in that way and you get the answer. It's not necessary. So you might have to shuffle at times. So here shuffling is not required. You will get the answer. So what is common? First I'll put this as common. Okay, now this one again, I'm just grouping them. No sign change because we have plus sign here. So what is common out here? 5. P is not there, nothing is this, only 5. So ph minus 10 divided by 5, 2 qk. So I can only take out 5 from here as common. Plus here I can take out 2 r, only 2r. So this divided by 2r, I'll be left with ph minus this divided by 2r, I'll be left with 2qk. Now see, they are same, ph minus 2qk, ph minus 2qk. Okay, so this whole divided by this, I get 5. This whole divided by this, I get 2r. So this is my answer. Now let us take sum number 12 from exercise 4.2. ax square minus bx square plus ay square minus by square plus az square minus bz square. Now let us group them. Ax square minus bx square plus ay square minus by square plus az square minus bz square. Now see, this one x square common, this one y square common, this one z square common. So we'll do it individually. X square common, so I'm left with a minus b. Y square common, I'm left with a minus b. Z square common, I'm left with a minus b. Now from these three, a minus b common. This divided by this, left with x square. This divided by this, left with y square. Similarly, z square. So this is my answer. This will be for factorizing by difference of two squares. Let us do sum number 1 part 2. 9x square minus 1. This is the sum. So difference of two squares. This is this particular category. Now what will I do? 9, I'll make it 3. This can be 3 square. So 3 square means 3 is a 9. X square will be, x square, keep it like this, and 1 I can write 1 square. Okay, so this will become 3x whole square minus 1 square. Now do you remember the formula? A square minus b square gives you what? A plus b, a minus b. Now this is what we are going to follow here. So a square minus b square equal to plus and then minus. So answer will be 3x plus 1, 3x minus 1. This is my answer. Okay, now let us do sum number 5 part 3. We have 32 minus 2 x minus 4 whole square. Now here I cannot make 32 as a square of something. So what will I do? I'll remove 2 from here and 2 from here and take it outside as a common. So 2, this is 2 into 16 minus this is 2 into this. Okay, so we have 2, we have taken 2 common from here, so I'm left with 16, and 2 out from here, I'm left with x minus 4 whole square. Now 16 is the square of 4 minus x minus 4 whole square. So now do we have a square minus b square, just like this one, a plus b, a minus b. Now let us put this. A is this and this entire is b. So plus x minus 4, a plus b, now a minus b, so minus this whole. Now I'm putting as a minus, but if I open this, if I do minus of this, what will I get? Minus x, then minus plus, minus plus 4. This is the value. So this is what I'm going to put here. Okay, this is just for understanding. Now 4 minus 4 is cut. We get only x. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus x. This is my answer. And sorry, remember we have 2 out here. So just take this 2. I just take this 2. So this is my final answer. 2x, 8 minus x. This is an interesting one, sum number 18. 18 part 1. So we have x square minus 5x plus 7, x square plus 5x plus 7. Now how to begin with this one? X square minus 5x plus 7, x square plus 5x plus 7. Now according to the formula, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So we have a plus b, a minus b. Now here minus is here, minus 5, minus is not here. So this is just looks like, a plus b, a plus 7 once we arrange them. So x square plus 7 minus 5x x square plus 7 plus 5x. Now let x square plus 7 is equal to m. The moment you do this, the sums becomes very easy. So you have this one, x square plus 7 as m minus 5x. This is as m plus 5x. Now we have a minus b, a plus b, this formula. So a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. Okay, this is the one. And now I can put back the formula for m square is this one. Whole square of this minus 5 square, which is 25 x square. Oh, this is not required. So basically this is my answer. Difference of 2 square. So I'm putting the answer as difference of 2 square. So this is my answer. Let us do the last one. 19 part 2. 99.9 whole square minus 0.1 whole square. So this is again like a square minus b square. So what is the formula? A plus b, a minus b. So when we add 99.9 plus 0.1, we get 100. And this one 99.8. So this into this, the decimal point, it travels on the right side if you multiply. So my answer will be 9980. Instead of taking out the square of this, taking out the square of this, and then doing the subtraction, you can solve the sum like this. For exercise 4.4 and 4.5, the last two categories are left: factorization of trinomials and sum and difference of cubes. So these two categories, I'll be discussing it in my next video. Thank you.